Good evening. This is Front Page by AIM Network. So, one of the biggest global names in PC hardware, Gigabyte, is officially shifting from selling in India to building in India. The Taiwan-based giant has begun local manufacturing of motherboards through strategic contract manufacturing. No flashy reveal yet on which factory, which SKUs or output scale, but the intent is crystal clear. India is becoming a manufacturing base for the global PC ecosystem. Gigabyte is starting with motherboards, the core brain of personal computers, across its mainstream and premium families: Aorus, Aero, ultra durable gaming, AI top. The graphic cards are not part of the India plan as yet. But motherboards, monitors, and laptops are a clear phased expansion roadmap, which means clearly this is about reducing import dependency, cutting logistics costs, faster supply chain plus quicker product availability, more competitive pricing for Indian buyers, building a long-term domestic manufacturing footprint. And Gigabyte is saying this very plainly. India is now a pillar in its global growth strategy because India has very quietly become one of the most important PC and electronics battlegrounds in the world. The timing aligns perfectly with Make in India, PLI incentives, rising electronics manufacturing ecosystem, India's ambition to build a $300 billion electronics industry by 2026. EMS market projected to hit $80 billion by fiscal year 2027. And if we look at who Gigabyte is joining, HP, manufacturing with Dixon and VVDN. Lenovo and Acer, building laptops locally. Asus, building PCs in India. Apple, building iPhones at global export scale. Foxconn, Pegatron, Tata, expanding capacity. So needless to say, India is becoming the world's electronics factory. And if you have been following Front Page, we've been calling this time and again. Please make sure to check our previous coverage if you haven't already. Now back to Gigabyte. Motherboards aren't glamorous like GPUs, but they are strategically critical because they define system architecture. They anchor localization of broader PC manufacturing. They allow ecosystem scale, laptops, desktops, enterprise hardware. So if motherboards localize, India doesn't just build finished boxes. India builds core compute components. This is how Taiwan built its electronics dominance. This is how China built Shenzhen. And now India is building its own version at scale. And of course, now in conclusion, the Front Page take. Gigabyte manufacturing motherboards in India does four things. Strengthens India as a global electronics manufacturing hub. Anchors future PC plus AI hardware assembly ecosystems. Reduces dependency on imports and price volatility. Signals confidence from one of the world's most trusted PC hardware brands, with Apple ramping exports, HP and Lenovo scaling laptops, Foxconn expanding mega campuses, Google building AI compute in Vizag, and now Gigabyte building core PC hardware. India is clearly on the right track to becoming the manufacturing hub of the world. And on that, we would really like for you to tell us, what do you think in the comments below. This is Front Page by AIM Network. As always, like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think India, think AIM.